Hi, I'm Shirley, and this is Rue. He's bored already, yawning. So I wanted to talk a little bit today about Airbnb and how it's really helped me as a middle-aged woman with all kinds of talents, but not a ton of income, how it's helped me do what I want to do. So first of all, I'm a cellist. I love to play cello. Second of all, I'm a realtor. I love helping people. Thirdly, I'm a super host with Airbnb, which is I'm the only one in my family that's become an Airbnb superhost. So Airbnb, first of all, you need to trust that owning property is a good thing. So we invested in properties in British Columbia and Alberta, and over time, watched the up and down of the markets and have been able to run these properties with full-time long-term tenants as well as some Airbnb. So for example, I have one property in Southwest Calgary with a main floor tenant who's fantastic, reliable, and on the downstairs level is an Airbnb, super kind of economy, low priced, but safe, clean, good spot to be. I'll say you're coming to Calgary for a month to do a course. It's a great spot to be. Or maybe you're just in for a week, whatever. We're able to run these properties only because we've got a great team of cleaners that really help us. And we also do a lot of maintenance to keep things really up to snuff. So you gotta really stay on top of things. And one thing about having an Airbnb is your cleaners are in and out of the property, fairly regularly. Your guests are giving you feedback on the property. Now, sometimes when we have long-term tenants, they might not hear anything about the property for maybe a year, then all of a sudden, oh, hey, blah, 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 the roof's leaking, the sink's drained, plug, whatever, I don't know. Things come up, but you don't hear about it till it's too late, and it's a big expense rather than staying on top of your maintenance and fixing it right away. So that's my little blurb of Airbnb. The income is better than having long-term tenants, so it's not going to fix the housing crisis in Calgary, but it's maybe a mix of Airbnb short-term rentals and long-term tenants is a really good way for people to think about having some good income and having room and space in your life to do the things you love. And if you want to learn to play the cello, call me.